Hello everyone, my name is Tam. My full name is Nguyễn Hải Đăng. I am a student at a school in mountainous area in the north of Vietnam. My school is small but very beautiful, and it is surrounded by green mountains and fresh air. I am very busy studying, but I have a little time to relax. Now, I would like to tell you about my leisure time. I like reading books. I often read books after finishing my homework in the evening. Reading books helps me relax and learn many new things. It also improves my vocabulary and helps me understand the world better. Thanks to reading, I can get more knowledge and become more confident in my study. Thanks for watching my video.